But I've been, let's see here, touch up bar stools, coffee table, dressers, and big chair. You know, these had all kinds of marks on them because some people flipped them around and they just happen to fit perfectly underneath here, but it rubs all this stuff off. And these were terrible, even down here by the foot where you put your feet. And I just used a black magic marker there and fixed that. The coffee table had some marks on it in a couple different spots, and on the sides it was I had a few different spots. Even on the dresser, you know, this dresser, we've got edges here. I hit a few spots along in here, up on the top, and I just used the magic marker. And you've got to get one. Where is mine? You need a special one. Oh, here you go. Okay, I've got two of them here, and lots of times I'll use my Sharpie, but the one that really works is the king size Sharpie permanent marker. This stuff kind of smells a little bit, but it's got a big heavy tip on it, and it covers really super good. And that's what I use. They even had some marks on the cabinet. Somebody dinged the edge of this cabinet down here, and this was all the way down to the wood. See, that's a lot better. There was a couple other marks. There's one up there, and there was a scratch mark down in here, and I just touched it up with the black marker. See, when you're standing over here, you really don't see anything. I mean, you could go to the store and get a putty stick. They have putty sticks, then you've got to match up this, and you might have to get 2 or 3 different putty sticks because you think you're just so sure of the color, and you get one, you put it up, and you think, son of a gun, this looks worse than it did before. I've got the wrong color. I've got to go back to the store and get another one. You know, so magic markers do the trick. Okay, what else did I have here? That's all I have for this time, but I'll be back with more videos